Y'all, I have no idea what the fuck is going on. They're saying I have insufficient money. Like, I've been trying to get into this trade. They're saying I don't have funds. I don't know. This shit was just not happening like the other day. I don't understand. Like, buy market. Insufficient funds. Like, I don't, like, how is that even possible, dog? I don't understand, dog. I'm in this trade on one fucking contract. I don't know what the fuck is going on. There's no news right now. It's 7 o'clock. I have $2,000 in here. And I'm on micros. I don't understand. Dude, this is so disappointing. Like, the only thing about this setup that's a little bit iffy is the fact that we do have this supply zone right here. But if we look on the 4 hour, we'll see that price has tapped into this 4 hour demand. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. That's confluence, and overall, we are bullish. So that's what I'm looking at over here. But yeah, I don't know what the fuck is happening. But if we lose right now, like, it's just like literally whatever. It's like gonna be $32. Like, I'm so pissed off. Like, I don't know. Like, this shit makes me want to switch my fucking broker because I feel like this like would never fucking happen on Ninja Trader or anything else. Like I guarantee I'm like I've dealt with customer support more than any fucking thing else. Like Mike fucking Murphy is gonna be like, oh well, whoa, whoa, whoa. And it's just like, dude, like y'all don't say anything about this shit. Like this shit is so fucking annoying. Never had problems like this on any other broker but Ironbeam, dog. Listen, my stop loss, I'm about to log out of this. My stop loss is already set, so it's fine. I'm about to log out of this, and I'm about to go to my demo account. I'm about to see. Like, obviously, this demo account has, I don't even know. Let's reset it. Can you reset the amount that's in here? To be like settings, display, workplace, general, uh, uh because this is gonna be only like 50, I said only like 50K. I want to make it like 2,000. Um, this just doesn't make any sense. And I was so excited today to like try this fucking thing. And, hold on. Yes. I was so excited to do something like this because I didn't know you could do something like this, and I just wanted to like fucking Like today would be the first time of me trying it, and this is just fucking bullshit, dog. This shit makes me fucking pissed off. Like, what the fuck? I might just hold, bro. I might just hold. I'll take the $30 loss. I'll go if this hits TP, you know, or what? If this hits stop loss, that's just like whatever. Fine. One of our probabilities playing out. But if this, hits the 1-1, I'm just gonna hold it. Cause this shit is ridiculous. I don't understand why. It's no news. It's like I guarantee you. It's just like I don't even feel like saying anything because it's not like regardless of what I say, I'm still not going to be able to trade like how I want to. So this one looks like I'm about to get stopped out on. I guess the supply zone that does hold and the 4 hour doesn't matter at all. This is not how I thought this day was definitely going to go. And it's just like so freaking irritating, dude. Like, hmm, that's just like a huge rejection. I think I'm about to get stopped out here. I think the supply zone, 5 minute supply zone is gonna take over. It looks like this shit about to get checked. Like 33. Alright, I already put it in my P&L calendar. This shit is irritating. What?